God have mercy upon us.
2 moments later.
Guys, hi my beautiful people, how you doing? How are you feeling today? It is the day of love, yani Valentines, you know? Tumeimba, tumeweka memes huko back and forth, and finally the day is here. And so wale watu walikuwa natuimbia,
Hey, come look at this.
ile nyimbo ya Valentine is coming.
Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend? You are...
Can we pick it up from here?
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
Anyway, we are out and about kama kawaida. Anyway, we are outside finally. So babes picked me up after work. Mliona hii outfit pale nikiletewa maua nini.
Ah baby, my Valentine, yeah. Find out you to make my temperature to rise. If you leave me, I go die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I won't be your nurse. Your love is torturing me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your coffee.
Oh my God.
So after work nikaambiwa wewe usijali, kaa tu hapo, I'll pick you up. So mimi nishachukuliwa mimi. So tuko kwa njia tunaelekea. So let's find out tunapelekwa wapi. Where are we going guys for this Valentine? Anyway, let me take this opportunity to say happy Valentine my love, and happy anniversary to us. To many more love, and many more memories and moments like this. Anyway, and also what? To you my subscribers, happy Valentines. To my girls, happy Valentines. Anyway, let's hit the road. Let's see. Subscribe. Let's go.
Hi guys, we're finally at Elementaita and we are leaving the highway to start joining the rough road. So guys, first tip to going to this place is when you exit the highway, kindly use the signage. If you use the Google Maps, the way Google Maps has interpreted the location of that place is somehow off, so you might get lost because there are so many hotels around here and so many roads leading to these different hotels, so you might find yourself to a place that is not the right place. So specifically, if you're going to this location, use the signage from the rough road, then start going up using the signage because they're in every corner. You can see we had some few in the highway, now joining the rough road. There are few signage, so look at the hotel that you're going to, read the arrows, follow through. Also, from the highway to the location of this hotel is a full rough road and it's up the hill. We are going up the hill, so check on your vehicle, maybe do some maintenance. The location is up the hill, so that's why I'm giving you those tips. Anyway guys, I am so excited to explore this new hidden gem that has been tangled for our Valentine and anniversary. So guys, let's keep on going. Let's go. Tunaenda huko juu kwa mliwa. Let's go. loves, finally we are at our location. Lemon Valley Farm is the location to this Valentine's stroke anniversary manenos. So guys, this is a farm hotel, so whatever you're about to see here are like the farm sections. There are chicken, there are rabbits, there are horses, there are pigs, there are cows. So all what you're seeing here as you climb up the hotel is all the farm maneno. So guys, for now there's no much aesthetic on this lower part of the hotel, but as you ascend, oh my god, paradise. Whatever you're seeing here, this is not it. This is not it. So mtaita elementaita, let me take you to paradise. Let's go. Hey my loves, hey my beautiful people, we have finally checked in from the reception. Now we want to check into our rooms. You guys, whatever you've seen is like the 1% of this hotel, so please get ready.
Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. I want you to jump. Get ready, get ready.
I haven't met you yet. What would I be doing now without even knowing the meaning of love? Where did you get lost? Express your feelings well. I can't put it into words, but with you we can understand each other. She has always been and always will be. All my love to you, my endless gratitude. To you, to the stars that fall from my eyes. I promise I'll always be by your side. I'm 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 by your side. Chasing an endless dream, I took a step without stopping. I kept believing only in your smile. Before I knew she was in a place like this. News you can't see alone. What I can't oh let go. If it's with you, I find it. Let's keep searching forever. All my love to you, love. My endless gratitude to you, yeah. To the stars that fall from.
Hi my beautiful people, so let me wind down as we check into our room, then I'll catch you up later as I prepare to go for the Valentine dinner and I show you the house tour to this place. So you guys, are you ready? Let's soak in for now. Let me take a shower, let me take in the views, then I'll be back shortly with part 2. Mwah! Please watch, subscribe, like, comment and share. To the next video guys. Good night. Mwah.